in different aspects like economy, because I feel there's no one doing the right moves that is their duty for them to do now. They are either busy with other things which is not right for the economy to move forward. An example is the Yolanda funds. They do not know that they should coordinate with the United Nations so that the Visayas rehabilitation should prosper. They are waiting for funding to be sent to them, which will not happen because actually there is dealing with the donor countries that the United Nations will be the prime mover of funding and not the administration. All they would be doing is that they would be under supervision only of the work. They would not handle money matters because initially the first funding sent them was made to be in corrupt activities, which resulted to different bad things that happened to the people of Tacloban. They were made to be moving in some sort of illegal trafficking or child abuse that happened there because of the designs of the bunker houses. So that is the different things I know, which I am going to move for to make this country be moving in the direction that we will be moving the rehabilitation of the Visayas region, which will support the different economic activities here in the Philippines, from the factories that will arise due to the massive work that will be given the people who are now unemployed. There are so many unemployed people here in the Philippines because of different things the government cannot address. They are so busy with different matters, they cannot do what they are supposed to do. They are either thinking of different things which is not what they should be doing. So that is the gist of what I am here as a candidate for president, so as also to remove corrupt activities in government. Once in the hand, I will remove corruption in government. No one will stay corrupt in the government sector, and so people will be going into that direction, and the Philippines will be in the developmental stage of the situation they should be bound with. So that's about it.